Hey guys, it's Madi, and today I am having a little bit of content creator block. And I've said this before in tons and tons of my videos that no matter how much I try to steer away from natural hair, I cannot find my niche. And all of my most successful videos is dealing with natural hair or just like hair in general. And it's frustrating, but it's also rewarding at the same time. But it's hard to find your niche here on YouTube or any other type of social media if you're trying to be like a content creator. I don't know what the deal is, but for some reason I just have like really bad content creators block. I don't even know where this video is going at this moment, but it's in the middle of the day. I know my kids is about to come home from school and I needed a pick-me-up. I have been up since 4:30 this morning and I'm starting to crash. So I needed some coffee. I know I have laundry. Now that I think about it, I actually have to put the sheets, the linen, back on the bed, which I don't like to do, because if you have a king size and anything bigger or a really thick mattress, putting the sheets on that particular bed is exhausting. It's a workout. Like it's literally exhausting, especially when you have to do it by yourself. And then depending on what kind of mattress you got, they're heavy. All right, they're heavy. They're heavy ass mattresses. I know that's what I have to do today. I'm not looking forward to it, but as of right now, I hope all is well. I hope you press record. I hope you are doing the things that you want to do and not sit around waiting like I have done many times. Okay? There's already so many really good fall videos already going, and I just wanted to share with you guys some of the things that I picked up from Target that I wanted to use to decorate for this fall season. I didn't get to decorate last year because when I was pregnant, all fall things in a sense made me extremely nauseous. I didn't want to smell no candles, no scents, and just looking at certain things made me sick to my stomach. So I got this flower. It's a really pretty flower. And then we have this one. Now this is literally flowers stuck in a vase, but I was able to buy extra stems, and then I'm just gonna add it to here. And of course, y'all, I really don't know where I'm gonna put these at in my house yet, but I got them because why not? I also found this pretty white pot because I don't have a white pot, but I found this white pot, and then I found these pretty burgundy leaves. I think they're really cute to go inside this white pot, and I'm going to use this somewhere in my house. What else? I know y'all seen these floating around somewhere. See, all this stuff is still in the bag because I haven't even did it. It's this white pumpkin pillow, throw pillow. I thought this was really cute. It was $5, I think. No, I'm lying. Total lie. It was $11 from Target, and I just love it. I wanted a pumpkin, but I did not want like orange or something that was screaming Halloween. I didn't want that. I wanted something that was going to transition me through the whole season all the way to Christmas, because y'all know how we are when it comes to Christmas. We get ridiculous with it. So I got this pillow, and I hold on to the packaging, so when I take this decor down, I'll put it back in the packaging for storage. That way I don't have to be worrying about like, when am I going to put this in so it don't get messy. I save the packaging. Now, along with that, I also get, I found these, I don't know why I didn't buy two, but these kitchen towels, it's actually a gray color. It's coming up white, but it's really like a light, pretty gray. Like a heather gray. I got these kitchen towels. It's the waffle kind. Y'all seen these towels. It's nothing new. They were on clearance for $6, so I got it. Like I said, I'm probably going to go back on there and see if they have another one. And this is from the brand Threshold, just in case you want to see if they have any. Now, I also got these two pillows. I think it actually came in a set, or maybe I bought two. I really don't remember. But they are this nice, pretty burgundy wine. This is going to be my fall color. And this is also Threshold. So I got two of these for my chairs that I have. And I got a matching burgundy throw, which is real pretty. I love this color. I think it's going to go nice. It's going to bring a little pop of color to my very monochrome living room. This is by Hearth and Hand with Magnolia. So I guess they did a collaboration. And I just got one. Now that I'm thinking about it, I probably should have got two, but it's all right. One is okay. I don't need two. That's like overkill. So I have this. And I do have other fall decor items. Like I have some glass pumpkins that are in my decor closet. Because for some reason I have an issue when it comes to throw pillows and vases and decorum. And it's just, it's in my baby's closet. Just pretty much the baby's closet. So those are the things that I got for my fall decoration. So yeah, I haven't decided how or when I want to decorate because I feel like I need to clean and decorate at the same time. So my beautiful door that I have right here, this is a Amazon purchase. I love my double door. This is definitely a DIY do-it-yourselfer project. Me and my husband, unfortunately, we put it together and it turned out really nice. I love it, and it gave my living room what I needed. I wanted to like separate it from the rest of the house so I can have like one area that does not get infested with the children and them destroying a room. So I separated and I really love it. Let me know down in the comments what you think about my tour.